Friday is here, and so are some very affordable deals. If you were considering buying some AI writing tool, but the problem was the cost, now is your chance. Don't be a fool to miss it. You'll find the links to access the Black Friday deals in the video description, as well as the discount coupons. Let's check out the hot deals for the best AI writing tools. CopySpace AI offers a wide range of tools such as AutoWriter, long-form tool, plagiarism checker, translation tool, optimizer, etc. You can create blogs, social media, post sales pitches, and even generate images. This is a solid tool that you can benefit greatly from. Black Friday deal, click our link below and you'll get 37% off by using the code Black Friday. You have until November 31st to use it. Journalist does everything it claims with incredible ease. It's an excellent writing assistant that generates unique content in minutes. It has an auto blog feature with automatic posting and can be integrated into any website.
Yes! That's awesome!
Black Friday deal. Use our link and get 25% off of any plan with the coupon BFriday25. You have until November 27th. Scalenut offers 43 templates, which cover everything from blogs, product descriptions, Q&A, paragraph generators, different frameworks, social media posts, emails, and even website content. Basically, everything you need is here. Black Friday deal. Click our link below to access 60% off on the lifetime deal. The offer stands until November 27th. SEOmatic is basically an AI-based SEO and content creation platform. The content is plagiarism-free, and all the templates are customizable. It analyzes your content and suggests improvements, but also gives you insight into your competitors' strategies. Black Friday deal, click our link below and get 50% off yearly lifetime deal. Use the coupon code BLACKFRIDAY50. Shopia is an AI tool that has more templates than the previous ones and SEO Assistant that gives its best to get better rankings. Naturally, it covers blogs, articles, emails, social media, e-commerce, and also can be integrated with over 5,000 plugins. Black Friday deal. Use our link below and get additional discount with the code BLACKFRIDAY70. TextCortex is an AI writing tool, which is quite easy to use and helps you save time, increase productivity, and improve accuracy. It offers various templates for marketing education, sales, IT, business development, content creation, and more.
It would be so awesome. It would be so cool.
Black Friday deal. Use our link and get 50% off on every paid plan with the code BLACKFRIDAY23. You have until November 27th. Tyla is an AI-powered software that helps you write content in minutes. It's definitely worth checking out because besides the blog writing tool, it also has autocomplete, innovative text rephrasing, and also an AI image generator. Black Friday deal.
It's Black Friday.
Black Friday?
Use our link and get 95% discount to access 20 AI tools. You have until November 27th. Word Hero saves you hours of writing and is made for content marketers, bloggers, and business owners who are looking to increase productivity. It offers over 80 writing tools. Business, social media, email, copywriting, cover letters, poems, fiction, and even has an image generator.
It's truly awesome.
Black Friday deal. Use our link and get 15% off our popular lifetime plans where users need only to pay once and get to use forever. The code is THANKS15. So you have until November 27th. Writesonic is an AI writing, but also image generation platform that creates persuasive sales emails, engaging blog posts, or captivating social media captions. You can customize the tone and style, but also optimize the content with specific keywords. Black Friday deal, click our link below and get extra 20% off on all annual plans. Now, go and grab these deals by clicking our links below.